Hi, ako po si Alice Lee, isang internet marketer, and meron akong gustong ipakilalang bagong opportunity online. This is called The Golden Path. This is an Australian-based company and nagsimula siya nito ng April 16, 2012. Okay, compared to other opportunities like Hives, which is very risky, ito para siyang savings account mo na will help you earn money in the long run. Okay, this is not a get rich quick scheme. In fact, hindi ka kikita agad. Okay, unlike yung ibang programs din. Sabihin na natin isa siyang cycler. Okay, cycler siya and meron siyang matrix. Okay, cycler, unang-unang pumapasok, oops, babagal yan kasi nga cycler. Habang dumadami yung members, ang nangyayari, bumabagal yung pag-ikot. Okay, and kung matrix naman, nagiging wide yung matrix. Okay, but ito, medyo kakaiba siya. Meron siyang tinatawag ng mga angel positions. Okay, and yung matrix, isa lang siyang team matrix wherein nandun lahat ng members para hindi mo kailangang mag-refer ng tao, hindi mo kailangan ng mga spillovers. Yung spillovers is automatic. Okay, first come, first serve. Ang pag-fill ng matrix is from top to bottom, left to right. Okay, so, ganun yung ano niya. Okay. And yung cost niya, okay, is actually 2 sub per day. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng members are required to buy positions every day. $2 per day. Okay? So, sure na merong pumapasok lagi na bagong subscriptions para mag-fill ng matrix. Okay? And now, this $2, yung $2 na subscription mo every day, mag-earn siya ng $44 per position at the end of level 5. Okay? It means, at the end, pag na-reach mo na yung level 5, kikita ka na ng $44 daily. Okay? And you will get paid along the way. Hindi mo kailangan hintayin yung level 5. Okay? In each level, kikita ka. Okay? And within 3 to 4 weeks, kahit sabihin natin bumibili ka everyday ng subscription, within 3 to 4 weeks, magiging self-paying na yung positions mo. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-put in ng money. Okay? So, and then, isa pang benefit niya is yung sa mga gustong mag-refer, you will get $8 per position for every person you refer. Every day. Okay, so it's like meron kang daily earnings from your referrals. Ganyan. Okay, ano ba yung mga features na ito? Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, meron siyang unique angel position system. Ibig sabihin, sa bawat position or sub na magsa-cycle, meron automatic na nilalagay sa angel position. Itong mga angel positions, para rin siyang yung mga subs na binibili mo. Ang difference is, nag-fill up siya ng mga positions and wala siyang kinikita. Lahat yun, yung mga angel positions na yun, nag-help lang siya mag-fill para hindi mag-i-stall yung program, hindi siya babagal. Okay? Para mga free positions yun na nilalagay ng system para sa lahat ng members. Okay? And then, meron siyang no re-entry system. Ibig sabihin nun, pag nag-cycle na, yung bawat position na magsa-cycle, e-exit na siya. Mag-e-expire na siya. Hindi na siya pwedeng bumalik. Kaya hindi magiging wide yung matrix. Okay? And isa pa nga, one team matrix lang siya. Hindi mo kailangang, hindi siya magiging wide, hindi mo kailangang mag-refer. Kasi, automatic na may spillover. Okay? Para sa lahat ng members. And then, yun nga, yung $2 a day repurchase para siguradong everyday may pumapasok na positions or na slots para sa matrix. Okay? And meron din siyang sariling e-wallet system para hindi ka na mag-purchase lagi from payment processor. Okay? Meron siyang built-in na sarili niya. para maiwasan yung mga charges sa mga payment processors. Okay, so here's how it works. In this illustration, itong mga circles na to, sabihin natin ito yung mga subscriptions. Okay? And then, ito yung e-wallet mo. I suggest na maglagay ka ng $30 sa e-wallet mo. Kasi, hindi pwedeng mag-negative yung e-wallet. Kapag nag-negative yung e-wallet mo, ang nangyayari is, mawawala lahat ng mga subscriptions mo and magiging angel position sila. So, mawawalan ka ng money. Okay? So, just make sure na laging may laman yung e-wallet mo. Okay. So, nangyayari, say for example, on your first day, bibili ka automatic ng position. So, from $30, magpupunta ka sa level 1. Okay? And magiging $28 na lang yung e-wallet mo. Okay? So, day 2, ganun ulit. Mag-a-add ka ng position, magiging $26 na lang yung e-wallet mo. Day 3, ganun pa rin. So, at this time, sa first level, ikaw yung nagpapondo dun sa matrix mo or sa positions mo. Okay? So, until 6th day. Hanggang sa ma-fill yan. Variable yung kung ilang araw. Sa akin, currently is 12 days. Okay? But it can be like, say, 12 to 14 days or maybe 3 weeks. Hindi siya fixed. Okay? Yun lang yung only variable sa system. Okay? But, currently, as I said, sa akin, 12 days. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, let's assume na nagkaroon ka na after 14 days, magsa-cycle na siya. Okay? So, pag nag-cycle siya, mag-earn ka ng $2. Pupunta sa e-wallet mo. Okay? Tapos, pupunta na siya sa level 2. At on the same day, magkakaroon ka rin ng bagong sub kasi nga everyday kang bumibili ng sub. So, yung e-wallet mo, mababawasan din ng 2. So, if you notice, nabawasan ka ng 2 pero nagdagdagan ka ng 2. So, parang nagiging self-paying na yung subs mo. So, hindi mo na kailangang mag-load ulit sa e-wallet mo. Okay, ganun din. Pupunta siya dyan. Tapos, may new ulit. So, habang everyday, may bumababa sa second level and may pumapasok na bago. Okay? Tapos, babawas ulit. And then, hanggang sa, say for example, maging 28 days na. So, 4 weeks na. Okay? At the end of level 2, ang mangyayari is, aakyat siya ng level, bababa naman siya ng level 3. At this time, you earn $5 per sub. Okay? So, you earn $5. Tapos, bababa siya sa level 3. Yung sa level 1 mo, bababa na ng level 2. And on the same day, bibigyan ka niya ng $2. Okay? Tapos, meron ulit bago. And, mababawasan ka ng $2. So, it means, you earn $5 daily. Kapag nasa third level ka na. Okay? So, ganun yun every day. Every sub. Ganun ang ganun. So, let's assume nasa 5th level ka na. So, anong mangyayari? Meron kang, you will earn $2 from here, $5 from here, $7, $10, and $20. Okay? On each level na mag-expire. So, for example, yung first position mo nag-expire, you will earn $20 from that. Tapos, mag-expire siya, mawawala na siya. Okay? Yung nasa 4th level mo, magbababa din. And then, yung nasa 3rd level, bababa din. You earn another $7. Okay? Tapos may bababa nga siya. Okay? And then, you will earn another $5 sa yung 2nd level. Bababa siya sa level 3. Yung nasa 1st level mo, you earn $2 and bababa siya sa level 2. Okay? Tapos, syempre, may papasok ulit na bago. So, nadidak ka ulit ng $2. So, you actually earn $42. Kasi yung $44 here, plus ay minus yung $2 na automatic subscription mo. So, ganun yung cycle. Ang mangyayari niyan, daily na yan. Daily. So, you just earn $44, $42 every day kapag na-reach mo na yung level 5. and you just started with, say, $30. So, ganon kaganda yung system. Simple lang siya. Simple lang. Ganon lang. Para ka lang nag-iipon. And we are talking about 1 sub only. What if meron kang 2 subs or 3 subs? Okay? Actually, pagdating mo ng level 2, yung $5 na kinikita mo, pwede ka nang bumili ulit ng bagong sub para maging dalawa na yung subs mo. So, you earn double. Okay? But, anyway, it's a strategy. Nasa sa'yo yon kung anong gusto mong gawin. Ito yung summary ng compensation plan. Ang nangyayari, sa level 1, okay, you're paying $2 per sub. It earns $8. Okay? Tapos, yung forced repurchase, yung $4 na pupunta siya sa forced repurchase para bibili ka sa second level. Okay? Tapos, yung $2 na yon napupunta sa angel position. Nagkakaroon ng angel position para sa community. Para siguradong may bagong position lagi. And yung $2 is paid to the member. Okay? Sa second level, it earns $16. Yung $6 doon is first repurchase para sa third level mo. Okay? Tapos, yung $4 na pupunta sa angel positions, $5 sa'yo. And, dito, mag-start na mag-earn yung mga nag-sponsor. Kasi, every day, you will get $1 for second level. So, the same for third level, 24. First purchase is $8. And then, para sa angel positions, merong $8 na napupunta, $7 ang binabayad sa member, and $1 sa sponsor. So, hanggang 5th position. So, every position, every sub na magmamature on the 5th level, merong $40 allotted for angel positions. It means 20 angel positions ang nadadagdag para sa community for each sub. Imagine kung gaano kadami yung members and kung ilan yung nagmamature, nag-e-expire. So, ganun kadami yung angel positions. Kaya hindi siya mag-i-stall. Okay? Kasi automatic yun lahat. And you would have earned $44. And yung ikaw as a sponsor, kung may ini-sponsor ka, you will earn $8 additional. Okay? Okay, so ganun lang kasimple yung the golden path. You just put in your money and then you just watch it grow. Okay? Hindi mo siya kailangang i-visit everyday kasi automatic naman siya magpa-purchase for you. And you just have to make sure na merong laman yung e-wallet mo para hindi ka mag-negative. Okay? Kung gusto mo namang mag-refer, you just get your referral link, give it to your friends. Pwede ka rin mag-pay forward. Okay? Kasi in the future, kikita ka rin naman sa kanila. Okay? Now, I want you to join our team. And you will open yourself to more opportunities than this. Okay? Actually, ang laging sinasabi is diversify. Hindi porkit meron kang ganitong isang opportunity, doon ka na lang. Hindi. Kasi alam naman natin sa online business, they come and go. Okay? So, you have to diversify. Okay? So, keep this business as it is. Okay? Invest, then just earn from it. And then move on to another one. Add another one. Okay? So, anyway, I want you to register using the link below. Okay? Enter your email address and your name. Kapag nag-join ka sa amin, when you are already a paid member, okay, I will give you the link to that training, to that marketing training. And you will also join a group of people in Skype and FB. Anyway, again, this is Alice Lee. I hope to see you inside. Okay, thanks and goodbye.